Welcome to our Regulations video series. I'm Laura, your Customer Success Manager, here to guide you through the Louisiana Data Privacy Act and its main privacy requirements. The Act creates privacy rights for Louisiana consumers and duties for certain controllers and processors, and is set to take effect on January 1, 2027. Here is a short timeline. The Act passed the Senate on April 8, 2026, the House 10 days later on May 18th, and was signed by the Governor later that month on May 29th. The law takes effect on January 1st, 2027. The law applies to businesses doing business in Louisiana. A business may fall within scope if it has annual revenue over $25 million, handles data of 75,000 or more consumers, households, or devices, or derives 50% or more of revenue from selling personal information. The law includes exemptions for state agencies and political subdivisions, Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act, Financial Institutions and Data, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, covered entities and business associates, nonprofits and higher education, electric public utilities and registered poll conductors, and certain health, credit, education, employment, and household data. Businesses have several duties under the law. Controllers must limit collection to disclosed purposes, use reasonable data security practices, obtain consent for sensitive data, avoid incompatible processing without consent, provide privacy notice and sale disclosures, and use controller-processor contracts. Website owners that fall within scope should provide request methods, offer a website request mechanism, use email for online-only businesses where allowed, avoid requiring a new account, display privacy notice and opt-out details, and post sensitive or biometric data sale notices when required. The law also sets process rules. Controllers must respond to requests within 45 days, may use one 45-day extension when needed, provide an appeal process and respond within 60 days, support authorized agents for certain opt-outs, conduct data protection assessments from January 1st, 2027, and treat rights waivers as void. Louisiana consumers have the right to confirm and access personal data, correct inaccuracies, delete personal data, receive a portable copy, opt out of targeted advertising, data sales, and certain profiling. The Louisiana Attorney General enforces the law. Violations are treated as unfair or deceptive trade practices, with penalties reaching up to $5,000 per violation when the legal standard is met. A 30-day cure period applies from January 1st through July 31st, 2027. The law does not create a private right of action. Thank you for joining us. At Clym, we're here to help you navigate compliance with ease. Visit us at clym.io to learn more about our all-in-one digital compliance solution.